Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you, I appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you for coming back to support me. So today's video, get excited, it's another hair video. Today I'm going to share with you guys some gorgeous hair extension from Googoo hair. So I have the hair extensions here out of the box. I just left one box closed so you guys can see how they look. I got these hair installed, I don't know, maybe 3.5 weeks or so, but I ended up, the color was like a little off from my regular color, so I end up having to throw a little bit of color on the hair. Yes, girl. So when I throw the tone on my hair, the hair extensions started coming off, all of them. So from like I think I had like a 4 package of hair, probably like, I don't know, 20 of the extension fall off. And you guys know I'm not a big fan of hair extension that's not full, you know. So then I'm going to change these for the Googoo hair extension. So I'm going to open this box here just to show you guys how they come in the box, and I'm going to tell you guys in a minute the color of the extension. So I come on this little bag here, and this one is a 20-inch tape-in hair extension, 20 tapes here. And the colors, I'm gonna tell you guys the color. Let me just show you guys the rest what comes in the box. So in the box it comes with some extra tape in case, you know, you need to retape extension, reuse it, which is fabulous. And come this nice little hair clip here that's going to help us to apply the hair extension. And come this little manual here talking about probably the Googoo hair, like different kind of hair extension that they have, lengths. So cool. This is everything that comes in the box. Now that you guys saw the box that come in, let me just take this hair extension out. And like I said, they are 20-inch. So the color is bleach blonde balayage, so that's the color. So my hair, my roots are ash blonde, so I'm going to tomorrow go to the salon and have these dyed, you know, brown, the color of the roots, so it match the hair extension, so it doesn't look like a different or nothing. And then after that I'm going to have the hair extension installed, and then I show you guys, you know, I'm gonna try to like do a couple of rolls, show you guys how the extension is installed and how easy it is to do home. But the only thing is I'm not going to do my whole head myself home because I have a busy schedule, and it takes a little time for you to do yourself. You have to put a mirror in the front, a mirror in the back, and I don't have the time at the moment, unfortunately. But the hair extension is gorgeous, and for 3-pack of hair, this is a lot of hair. Look at how thick this ponytail is, and the hair is gorgeous, great quality. I am in love with this hair. I can't wait to have it on it. Tomorrow I'm gonna color my roots. Hope tomorrow night I have the chance to get the extension installed, and then I'm gonna come back and show another piece of the video, show you guys what the extension looks in the hair. But they are gorgeous, and I'm so impressed. Like I say, for 3 sets, normally I use 4, but look how thick they are. The hair is super shiny, you can see it's super healthy, and the ends is super thick, which I love. I hate, you know, thin ends hair. So this hair I got from Amazon. The hair is not bad at all, it's super soft, but you know, a lot of them fall off after I put the tone on the hair. I think that's what did it. But and also the hair is a little thinner in the ends, which I don't like. So gorgeous. Oh yeah, and Googoo also was nice enough to send me some amazing thing. I'm going to do my hair, my friend's hair, with these two. This is like colorful little thing that you can put on your hair. I was like, this is so interesting. Like, you know, people who braid, you can take a little bit of this and just braid on your hair, and they send me different color, which is super cute. The only thing is I'm not sure, I didn't ask them if this can be flat iron or can be curled without burning. So they are nice enough also to send me the tools for install these with microchip. So here's the tools that you need for do with the microchip. Here is the microchip. So thank you so much, you guys, amazing. I wasn't expecting this. Thank you. And then it also comes with this little elastic here if you wanna, you know, use them instead, and they have different colors here that I think they match all the extensions. But the one that I think I'm going to go for is the little clip that we use for clipping hair extension. You know, I think I'm gonna just get couple of pieces of the color that I choose. I'm not gonna tell you what, it's going to be a surprise. So when you see the end of the video, you're gonna see what color I picked. And then I'm going to try to sew them or attach them to the clip, because like I said, I'm not sure if you can flat iron or curl them. So with the clip I can take them out when, you know, I'm going to style my hair, then put them in when the hair is done, right? All right, but thank you so much, Googoo. Love this, and I can't wait for put it in my hair for some fun little colorful change. All right, now that you guys saw the gorgeous hair, we talk about the length is 20 inch, we talk about the color, the quality. Now if you want to check Googoo out, I'm gonna have the link for them on the description of this video, where you guys can purchase the hair, where you can go and purchase out of the Amazon too. So yes, don't forget to check the description or the link on my Linktree bio. Alright, so now I see you guys next video with the hair extension installed after tomorrow. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so this is the final results. I'm just going to curl the hair up because I like them curled better than straight. After I finish curling, I come back to show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so this is how the tinsel look in the hair. So this is the final extension installed, toned. I'm not sure about the tinsel because just looking at now, just what I thought before. For you to use this and look neat, you probably want to use your hair straight, and like you guys can see, I prefer my hair curled, especially because after tone the hair extension and the hair, I noticed that my hairstylist, she gave me root on my hair. She put some brown on my root, and then she put a little bit of the same color, the ash blonde that she toned the extension with. She put some of the end of my hair, but I still feel like the hair extension is a little darker than my hair. So my next wash on this weekend, I'm gonna have her tone my natural hair a little bit, just this part here, so I can look more perfect match with the hair extension. And the tinsels, like I told you guys, I think this is gonna look really cool, but if you have the hair straight. So after I fix my hair color, I will use like I don't like the straight when the hair color doesn't look like it's matching, because you know the curls just like make blend everything good, but when it's straight you can actually see really well the difference of the color. So when I have my hair straight, I will do a little video showing the tinsel on the hair straight. I post you guys on my IG story or TikTok, and I tag the Google hair extension on. So I'm gonna take it out now just to show you guys the hair, how the hair looks. But I am in love with the hair. I like the results after the hair extension was toned down. But this is the hair extension after installed. And again, this is 20 inch, 100% human ramie hair. What you guys think? They look stunning. The hair looks gorgeous. So this is how the hair looks after style, super soft. And I'm gonna tag them here on the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. If I have a discount code, if I do, also it's going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I see you guys next video. Bye.